Katanas are prone to rust, and once rust takes hold, it is incredibly difficult to restore the sword to its former glory. Thus, sword owners must take great care to ensure the blades stay in good condition by periodically examining, cleaning, and maintaining the blade. First, wipe the blade using tissue paper 2 to 3 times until most of the old oil is removed. In order to remove leftover traces of oil and any impurities on the blade, we use uchiko. This powder ball must first be activated by gently hitting the knuckles on your left hand until you see a powder plume. Then, lightly tap the uchiko along the blade on both sides and along the spine. The powder and the old oil can be wiped away again using a fresh tissue paper. Please be very careful to keep your fingers away from the edge. Prepare clove oil to coat the blade again. Pour the oil onto a soft cloth and let it sit for 5 minutes. Coat the sword with the oil by passing the cloth over the blade, including the spine. Make sure it is completely covered. Once the blade is coated, use a tissue paper to wipe away any excess oil. Only a thin layer is needed to protect the sword. With the katana coated, it can be displayed. The sword must be regularly cleaned and coated in order to keep its original condition.